Welcome everyone to the MoldX3D webinar series. My name is Alex Baker from the MoldX3D North America office here in Farmington Hills, Michigan. Today we're going to be talking about the AI optimization tool in MoldX3D and how we can use it to augment the already existing DOE capabilities that MoldX3D possesses. All right, today's agenda, we're going to talk about what is the MoldX3D development scope, which we call AOI. We'll talk a little bit about DOE and what capabilities have existed with the DOE function for several years. Then we'll talk about the newer function that is called AI optimization and how we can harness a algorithmic-based optimization criteria as opposed to the current Taguchi array type of DOE approach that we've had in the past. And then we'll go over the pros and cons of both of them. They both have their own situational benefits and detriments. All right, so first of all, let's start off with AOI. So if you haven't heard of the term AOI, this is MoldX3D's development progress or the way that we are focusing a lot of our development efforts. We have AOI standing for automation, optimization, and intelligence. Automation focusing more on reducing the redundancy of setting up simulation. Optimization being able to optimize or iterate upon certain result information. And then intelligence focusing more on predicting outcomes using AI algorithms and using information to drive the progression of your simulation journey. Today's presentation is going to be focused mostly in the optimization criteria, although it does incorporate the AI optimization tool in MoldX3D. Which would be focused more on the intelligence side. It is ultimately focused around optimization. All right, so what is DOE? DOE, Design of Experiments, is a methodology for iterating upon variables so that we can understand their sensitivity to the final results and understand where we get the most bang for our buck when we're trying to look at a bunch of different variables at the same time. So instead of just changing one factor, we can evaluate multiple factors systematically. So you can see which factors matter the most, how factors interact with one another, what settings will optimize performance, quality, and cost, and then how sensitive you are to variation.